how to see all your TikTok search history. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see all your TikTok history on your TikTok mobile application. So for that, just open your TikTok in your smartphone, and after that all you have to do is just click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner, and from here just go to the profile menu from the three dot menu icon from the top right. After that, just all you have to do is just go to Activity Center under the Content and Display section, and here you can see all these things like your watch history, your comment history, your search history, and manage post visibility. So just click on search history, and there you can see all the things that you have searched on your TikTok account. And there is also another way to look at your search history on your TikTok account. So just come back to your home screen, and here top right hand side of your screen you can see this discovery or search bar on your screen. So just click on it, and here you can also see your search history right here. So these are the two ways through which you can see your TikTok search history. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.